Dear professors, hello. Our senior project topic is a new event and club management system. So the problem is that students can't find information about events because there are too many information sources. Clubs struggle with inefficient and manual event management, and as a result, we have decreased student involvement and activity. What we propose is a single and centralized web and mobile event club management system with event calendar, campus map, multiple functional dashboards, attendance tracking, and personalized engagement features. We used Fast API, Banaf Labs, SQL Alchemy, PostgreSQL, Redis, and IRQ for backend development, Docker, Alembic, PyTest, Swagger, and GitHub for overall development, Telegram and Notion for project management and team communication. What we completed is health and readiness checks, authentication, posts and admin functionality, endpoint protection. We also configured rate limiting and queuing and workers logic. Besides this, we completed clubs, events, and attendance lifecycle flows, and we also configured role-based access. We encountered the unexpected complexity in database transaction and RCP race condition, struggled with integrating boilerplate from Banaf Labs, and working with the latest version of SQL Alchemy. We also struggled with our roles being too specific initially. We had to narrow them down, and we found out that QR, testing, and email system integration were a bit more complex than we expected. So we needed to focus on the core functions of the backend, and we did some trade-offs and left some features for the coming semester. Now I will show you the mockup of the front end. This is not real front end yet. This is the main page where students and clubs can see the events. This is the login page. This is the page for clubs to create the event, monitor them. They can fill the form. This is the admin functionality to approve or reject clubs and events and see the statistics. This is the page for students where they can choose to participate in events and scan QR codes or cancel the registration. This is the mobile login page, and this is the mockup for the mobile page for students. They can see a dashboard, events, clubs list, scan the QR in the future from the front end, and see the settings.
Hello, this is the first part of our backend system. So we have the Swagger doc here. Let's start with authorization and authentication here. So first of all, let's create a simple user. Test user, test, let's just call it test here, test. And yep, the user is created successfully. So let's try to authorize as this user. 123, and good. So we can request the bearer token via this endpoint, and we can actually refresh it with this endpoint. And these are the basic root operations. So for example, this should return the authorized person here, and we can also get other people. So this is it, simple get endpoint. And moreover, we can erase ourselves from the users here, and only admin actually can erase users from the database here. So other than that, we have a lot of models here. So for example, let's try to create a post here. So username is, let's just say test, and the post is successfully created. ID is 3. Let's try to read this post, read other posts. Yep, this is a post from by this username, and let's just get the specific post. Oops, sorry. Yep, it actually works. Everything is good. And we also have an admin here that can actually delete and play with the database and make write operations there. Thank you.
notifications.
The upcoming semester, we're planning to implement fully the front end, complete the email notification system, complete attendance features like QR and manual check-ins. Before the deploy, we plan to implement monitoring, automated backups, and do a security audit. After this, we also need to complete the event recommendation system, integrate maps and calendar, and prepare the analytics for club officers and administrators. As a result, finally, we will do a pilot test with about 50 students and 3 clubs. Thank you for the attention.